Good evening, everyone. We all know love can be one of the most powerful forces in our lives. It lifts us, fills us with joy, and gives us purpose. But when love breaks, when relationships we've cherished fall apart, it can feel like the ground has been pulled out from under us. It's one of the hardest things to face. But today, I want to talk about how we can recover, rebuild, and ultimately find strength through that pain. When love breaks, it's natural to feel lost, to question everything. You wonder where things went wrong, what you could have done differently, or if you'll ever feel whole again. But let me remind you of something important. Broken love doesn't break you. It may bend you, challenge you, and even change you, but it doesn't define you. You are so much more than this moment. Step 1. Allow yourself to feel. The first thing we need to do is give ourselves permission to feel. Too often we try to push away the hurt, to numb the pain, or pretend that everything's okay. But healing begins when we face our emotions head-on. Cry if you need to. Be angry if you need to. Grieve for the loss of what was. That's not weakness. It's a powerful act of courage. Allowing yourself to feel those emotions is the first step toward moving forward. It's in acknowledging that pain where we find clarity. And trust me, no feeling is final. This too shall pass. Step 2. Focus on yourself. When love breaks, we often forget ourselves. We focus so much on the other person, on what we lost, that we forget about our own needs, our own dreams, and our own growth. Now is the time to turn that attention inward. Ask yourself, what do I need to heal? What do I need to feel whole again? Take this time to rediscover yourself, reconnect with old passions, pursue new interests, and rebuild your sense of self-worth. Love for others is beautiful, but never forget that the most important love you can have is for yourself. And once you rediscover that love, no one can take it away from you. Step 3. Learn and grow. Broken love teaches us valuable lessons. Lessons about our needs, our boundaries, and what we truly want in a relationship. It's easy to focus on the pain, but there's also wisdom to be gained. Reflect on what this experience has taught you. Maybe it's taught you how to communicate better, how to stand up for yourself, or how to be more patient. No experience is wasted if we learn from it. Every heartbreak has the potential to make us stronger, wiser, and more prepared for the love that's truly meant for us. Step 4. Let go, but don't forget. There comes a point where we have to let go. Let go of the anger, the regret, and the dreams of what could have been. But letting go doesn't mean forgetting. The love you had was real and it was meaningful. But it's also part of your past now. You can honor that love without letting it hold you back. Sometimes love isn't about holding on. It's about knowing when to release it and move forward. In that release, you give yourself the freedom to heal and to welcome new possibilities. Step 5. Believe in new beginnings. Lastly, remember this. Love is not a one-time opportunity. Just because one relationship didn't work out doesn't mean love is lost forever. Your heart has an incredible capacity to heal and to love again. When the time is right, and when you've done the work to heal, new love will find you. And this time, you'll be even stronger and more aware of what you truly deserve. So if your heart is broken today, know that it's not the end of your story. It's the start of a new chapter, one where you'll grow, heal, and eventually find a love that fits your truest self. You are stronger than this moment. You are more resilient than this pain. And one day, you'll look back and see that this was the moment where you learned the most about love and about yourself. Remember, broken love may hurt, but it doesn't break you. You are whole, you are worthy, and you are enough. Thank you.